If you are struggling to score in daily games in eFootball, then this video is just for you. In this video, I will guide you through how to score daily in daily games. Watch the full video. First, you need to change some important settings. For that, first go to the Academy option. From here, go to the Training option. Now go to Dream Team, then open the Free Training option. Now from here, select Penalty Kick. Kicker option. Now go to this option from here. Now tap on Away, then select the team which I am selecting. Just follow me. This is very important. Select this team, because the goalkeeper of this team is not that tall. For that, you can score easily. Now go back and open the Daily Game option. Here, make sure your kicker is using right foot and always shot on this left corner with full strength. By using this trick, you can score 99% goal. Sometime you may miss some shot because of the positioning and strength of the shot. So that's how you can score daily in daily game. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.